an exciting unboxing here. I might have said in one of my original videos just a few days ago that I wanted to get a second cinema display. So I keep out looking for them and stuff like that, and I found one. I got the monitor itself around $50, and then the power adapter, which came separately for a different company. Surprisingly, they made it here the same day, which is awesome. And that was only around like $40-50, so about $100 for all of it. So which is a really good deal. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the bigger box here. Go ahead and do it here. Let's see if I can do this without cutting my fingers off. This is gonna, I kind of had to invest some money in this. I really didn't have the money to get it, but I really wanted one, and it's gonna help me make money in the end, I guess. That's how my dad always says. There we go. Pull up this off to the side. A lot of peanuts. Yay! I love peanuts. My last one came in a little bit of a bigger box. This one came in a smaller box. And the stand was detached, so I'm going to have to put that back on. There's that. Make sure there's nothing else in here. This company I bought it from really didn't describe it that well, so I'm hoping it's in better condition or as good as condition as they claimed it was. So there's that. Go ahead and pull this back up here. So here's the screws to put the stand back on. So I don't want to lose those. Here's the cables for which are attached to the monitor itself. So I'm not really impressed with the packaging machine here from a company like this, because they do sell quite a bit of these. Because I was going to buy one from them before. They didn't really have good deals on it until I saw this one. I'm glad they used a lot of bubble wrap, I guess. Probably one of my longest unboxing, or at least the hardest. Think they put enough duct tape on it? Make a careful incision here. Sorry if my head's in the way. The description on this said it had a small scratch in the corner, which I see there, but that's all it said it had. So let's hope there's not more damage than that. So far it looks pretty clean. I see tape marks and all that crap all over it, which I am going to have to, okay, so you can see here there's a piece of tape, and I'm going to have to pull that off. Set this down like that. And there we go. Everything seems to be looking good. I could use a good cleanup job, which I'm definitely going to do here in a few minutes. Take some Glue Be Gone, clean it up, but other than that, it looks really clean. Very nice. Has a scratch in the same location as my other one. You might saw me unbox that. That's pretty much it for this. Just gonna set this off down here to the side. Now you're gonna lay it down like that. Okay, and then here's the power adapter. See if that's packaged any better. These people are really nice. Only took a day to get here from Georgia. Some of you might know I do live here in Tennessee. Good old Tennessee. Yeah, it's packaged pretty well. And there's the power cord and the power adapter. Looks pretty good. And that's pretty much it, guys. Here's the stand and the screws for it, and here's the monitor back here. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys will always check out for more videos coming soon. It's kind of ridiculous how this came packaged, but I'm going to piece it all together. And I'll be doing a video here soon on my dual monitors and my TV monitor. I just got done doing a dual monitor for just my TV and the monitor I have now, but since I have this one, it'd be triple monitors, so 3 now. So it'd be really cool. And always stay tuned for that. And always comment. If you guys like what you see, please thumbs it up. It really helps the video out. If you want to, go ahead and click on the ad over there, or whichever way it is. Click on the ads because it really helps support my channel and all that good stuff. Hopefully y'all know what I'm talking about. And always stay tuned for more videos.